Welcome back to Mena's Daily Dose. My name is Mena. Thank you for joining me today. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. I truly appreciate it. And if you're already part of the fam, hello, how are you? Thank you for your continued support. Today I am bringing you guys this look right here. I had so much fun creating this look, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me create this emerald, just kind of like a mermaid vibe eye look. I mean, I just really do love the look with the glowy, flawless beat skin. Now, in this video, I did not show you guys how I did my base, and I did that just so I can make sure that I stayed under a great time frame, okay? Because nobody got time to be watching no makeup video for no 30 minutes. I wanted to make sure I kept the video nice and sweet and focused on the eyes, but I definitely do not mind filming how I prep my skin and beat my face down, okay? And if you are new here, I hope you will subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're going to get started on the eyes. So to start off in the crease, I'm going to be using this color right here. So this is a NYX eyeshadow, and I used to use this all the time, and I don't know why I haven't used it recently. This is the color Dance with the Tides, and it's just a nice burnt brown shade. So I'm going to get that, and we are going to run that in the crease. And I like to kind of lean all of my eyeshadows outward. It just really brings the eye up, because you want your eyes to go up. You know? I have hooded eyelids, so I have to kind of over exaggerate when I do my eyeshadow. I'm also filming with natural light, so if you see the colors kind of go in and out, that is why. I love filming with natural light because I feel like it just gives the best color payoff with eyeshadows. And so I'm just going to go back and make sure both eyes look alike, okay? So for the emerald green color, I'm going to be going into this pretty black lace Lorac eyeshadow palette. This is an older palette, but I absolutely love it because it comes with pretty much all of the shades that you need for eye look, you know? We are going to be going in with this emerald color right there. So I'm just going to start placing that all over the eyelid. And we're really not going to worry too much about the inner corner. We just want to make sure that we pack this very well onto the lid. So now it's time to blend, okay? Because your girl look real crazy right now. We're going to go in with a brush that's a little bit more dense. That's something that we can just start blending out. So I'm going to just take a nice fresh brush, and I'm going to start blending that emerald color into the Dance with the Tides, and this is going to just soften up that line. And now you see the difference between this eye and this eye. So now I'm going to take that same brush, and we're going to go back in with a color that's just a little bit more of a redder tone to really make this look pop. So I'm going to go into my Beauty Treats Modern Mattes palette. This reddish color here, it's more of like a magenta type red. We're just going to start building up the crease. This is going to bring some color, and as it mixes with the emerald color, you're just going to see a really nice color develop. And we're going to start light and build our way up with this. as you see, this eye has a little bit more color, a little bit more depth to it than this eye over here. Yep. So to make that emerald pop just a little bit more, I am going to go in with a lighter green color. The green color that I'm going to be using is out of the Aurora palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, honey, and it is the Helia color. So it is this green color right here in the corner. So we're just going to take that and we're going to pop it right in the center of the lid. Now I'm going to go back into that emerald color and we are going to kind of halo this out, and it's just going to be a process of building the color up and just making sure that everything blends together and just pops. Now for the last placement of that highlighter color out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm actually going to wet my brush and go back into that color because I really want that pop in the middle. And as you see, this intensified the shadow immediately. Now the lower lash line is always pretty simple for me. I usually just use whichever colors I use in the crease and we just call it a day. So that's what we're going to be doing. So for my inner tear duct highlight, I'm going to use Lyra out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora highlight palette. I'm going to apply my lashes and I'll be right back. This left one is struggling and it usually always struggles, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and move on to the lips. And today I'm going to keep it very simple. The eyes are definitely a lot, so I want to keep the lip very, very simple and nude. So I'm just going to go in with a CoverGirl Jumbo Gloss, and I really do enjoy this. It gives a nice tint to the lips, but it's also moisturizing. Alright boo, so that completes the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I must say, I am back, okay? You know when you fall off from doing your makeup for some time, you have to kind of get back in the groove of it. So I am so happy with this look and I'm so proud of myself. And if you guys enjoyed, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, your family, your associates, and also don't forget to subscribe to the MDD family. I would love to have you here to join the fam, and I'll be having more makeup looks coming to you guys because this beat right here lets me know that I need to make sure that I keep on doing what I really enjoy, which is doing some makeup. Smooches boos, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.